Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Today is the 21st episode of us podcast. Let's go. So let me introduce my guest for tonight. It's his first time doing a podcast. He has different variants of himself in every universe. He mostly plays League of Legends Wild Rift. He is one of the guys behind the very successful Clash of Streamers, and he is also a streamer, graphic artist, content creator, and a professional trap. I don't know what that is. Let's go, Jumo!
Hello, what's up, Kebab? Good afternoon po. Good afternoon, everyone.
Introduce yourself to our viewers. Let's go.
My name is Jumong. Yun, ang na-mention is Kuya Pao kanin earlier yung about me. That's mostly me. So, the very interesting thing about me is I do creative stuff. Ayun lang.
Introducing Jumo. Name, JM De Vera. Ano ba yung JM?
That's short for Mark John.
Bakit baligtad? Parang baligtad. MJ dapat.
Hindi ko rin alam kila moms and dads.
IGN, Jumo. Okay. So,
Yes.
how did you came up? Or what is the history of Jumo?
So, yan ang Jumong kasi yan ang nickname sa akin kasi isa akong sakristan dati. So, I'm an altar server. Yes, from the Korean series din. Chinek ko din siya if meron akong kapareha. So, okay naman kasi wala naman akong kaparehas.
Alam mo din ba yung Jumong sa Dota?
Yes, si
Yan.
Mirana.
Baka doon din.
Sometimes yun din, minimension din nila, oh, Jumong pumapana.
And then, birthday, August 28. Should we
Yes.
reveal the birth year?
Sure,
natin?
why not? Pwede naman.
Sure. Okay.
1997.
And age is?
Age is currently 25. Hindi ako
Five.
nagkakamali. Hindi ako nagkakamali.
Hindi ka na. And next, astrological zodiac sign is Virgo. And
Yes,
then,
Virgo.
Chinese zodiac sign.
Ox.
Height.
5'6".
And then weight.
Last ako nag-check is 51.
And then blood type.
Kung di ako nagkakamali, O+ ako. Wait lang kayo po, may nagre-reklamo sa blood type ko, mali daw siya. Sabi ng
mali
aking,
daw.
blood type ko das AB+.
AB plus? Sige, AB plus. Correction.
Kaya yan,
daw
correction guys.
Nationality is Filipino, of course. Next, what is your motto?
Motto, time is gold. Joke lang.
Oh, ayun sakto may time.
Joke lang.
May time ka sa
joke lang.
Okay. So,
Everything happens for a reason.
hobbies.
Unang-una is playing games. I read manga, create random stuff using Photoshop.
What are your habits?
I tend to laugh at everything.
Mhm. And TMI. So, anything that you can share, what did you do today?
I ate 5 kinds of biscuit.
And next, games you play off stream.
Same, League of Legends, PC, and the League of Legends Wild Rift. I love Riot Games. Riot Games, baka naman.
Okay, next. Most recent game-related purchase.
Garena Shells for
Garena
League of Legends.
Shells.
And for the skin, yes, Garena Shells.
And next, 5. Yung interest mo these days.
Bread, biscuit, coffee, Photoshop, jampong.
Jampong. Okay. And next, express yourself with the hashtag.
Hashtag bread, hashtag biscuit, hashtag art, hashtag jampong, hashtag yeet.
Okay, next.
Yay.
What do you want to do on the podcast?
Fun and chill-filled podcast.
And then lastly, do you know your MBTI type?
Ay, ano yan, Kuya Pao?
So,
Then, yun na.
hindi natin alam yung MBTI mo. So, gagawin natin siyang ngayon din. First question. Okay, sabi ni Jamimoy, number 1 Marites ka daw.
Hello,
Let's see
Buskla.
your result. You are INFJA. Here is your profile. Let's move on to our next segment.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I just made a Fourth Wall page. Fourth Wall helps creators launch their own homepage, shop, memberships, and more, all on their own beautiful, fully branded website. Because of Fourth Wall, I was able to make my own merch and make memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2 up to $10 and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, P class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Fourth Wall page yet, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount when you purchase my merch upon checkout. And enjoy the amazing perks I made just for you guys. Just go to pao-opa-shop.fourthwall.com. That's pao-opa-shop.fourthwall.com.
So our first mini game is called You Belong With. The topic for your game is, syempre hindi na tayo lalayo, your favorite game, League of Legends. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go with question number 1.
Aphelios, Marksman.
Oh! Ang bilis! Ang bilis!
Don't me, Kuya Pao. Don't
Ang
me.
bilis! Okay. Mukhang may nakatalo na sa pinakamabilis sumagot Okay, Aphelios, Marksman, final answer?
Yes, Father
Okay,
Manso.
let's see. Aphelios, Marksman. Yes, sir!
Yay!
Let's go, ang lupit! Let's go with the next one.
Fizz, Mage.
Fizz.
Mage Assassin. Mage/Assassin.
Mage Assassin. Okay. So, for the, sabihin ko lang sa mga viewers natin, I've searched also in the, like, official, this League of Legends, site. Pero since, I think alam mo naman to, pero sige. Fizz, and you said, Mage and Assassin, no?
Mage/Assassin.
Okay. So, based on what I research, ito kasi lumabas. So, let's see. Fizz, fighter siya sa akin. Pero okay lang naman. Sige. Since alam mo naman yan.
It's okay. Ano na, 0.5 lang ako.
Okay, sige. So, you got...
Okay. I accept defeat.
Okay, accept defeat. Okay, sige. 1.5. Okay. Fizz, fighter. Okay, let's go with the next one.
Amumu.
Tank. Okay, let's see. Amumu, tank.
Amumu, tank, jungler. Ganyan.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Amumu, tank. Wala sa itsura niyang tank siya, Ang liit niya.
Yes. Mukha siyang tissue paper kasi siya eh.
Oo nga eh.
Bandages
di ba pag attack, malalaki ang katawan eh. Okay.
Ano siya, small.
Let's go with the next one. Fourth question. You have 2.5. Let's go with the next one.
Gwen. Fighter.
Okay. Let's see. Gwen, fighter. Gwen.
Oh no, assassin.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you got 3 points. Okay. Let's move on to the next question.
Alistar, tank.
Alistar,
Tank support.
Let's see.
Yes.
Yes, sir!
Alistar. Let's go.
Tank and support. Let's go. So you got 4 points.
So yung parang yung dalawang definition ng role niya na lang sasabihin ko. Para sure, pwede ba yun?
Oo, sige, pwede. Kung kaya mong para Okay, let's go with the next one. You have 4 points na. Let's go.
Gragas. Fighter.
Fighter and?
Fighter mage.
Mage. Let's see. Yes, sir! Gragas, fighter, mage. Okay, so you got 5 points. Wow. Okay, let's go with the next one.
Teemo. The devil. Joke lang. Teemo the mage. Mage marksman. Mage marksman.
Let's see. Teemo marksman. Let's see. Timo.
Oh!
Assassin.
What? Timo is an assassin?
Yun yung nakita ko. Okay. So, you have 5.5.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go with the next one.
Kled.
Kled.
Fighter.
And
Fighter Bruiser?
Fighter Bruiser.
Fighter Bruiser. Ano pa bang mga roles? Top laner? Ganyan?
Okay, let's see. Kled.
Assassin siguro to.
Kled.
Tank si Kled. Oh my God!
Gulat niya ako, maliliit, nagiging tank eh. Okay, so you got 6, I think. So, mamaya, compute natin yan. Okay, let's go with the next one.
Gnar. Fighter. Tank.
Let's see. Gnar, fighter, tank. Yes, sir.
Oh, huh? Easy.
Gnar. Okay. Let's go with the last one.
Azir.
Mage.
Azir Mage.
Mage and
Mage. Fighter? Or Marksman?
Marksman. Let's see. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Azir
what the heck?
is
Bakit naging Marksman si ano?
Also.
Naging Marksman si Azir.
Ayan. So,
Okay,
let's
okay.
see. How many? Wait lang. Ano pa ako? Okay, 1.5, 2.5, 3,
Hindi mo
4,
kapos kilabot.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you did the best. You're the best. So that was our mini game for tonight. So let's move on to our next segment, which is called question and answer. So first, how did you became a gamer?
I was a gamer since a kid. So, I played Game Boy Advance, brick games, and everything, ganyan. So, if you consider physical games, so I also do that since I was a kid.
Okay, next one. What is the first gaming platform or device you owned?
Cell phone, I think.
Ano nilalaro mo sa cellphone?
Space Impact, yun yan. Snake.
Oh!
If you consider that as a game.
When did you start streaming?
Oh no. Year, I know the
kabisado
year. 2019. Then, around October. Hindi ko na alam ko yung exact date.
And then,
October.
League of Legends na yung nilalaro mo nun?
Yes, something.
Okay. So, tagal na din pala, no? And next, what is the reason why you're streaming?
The reason why I am streaming. First reason ko, nag-start ako na nag-stream. I want to stream because I want to be like the big streamers. I want to be like them. Ayun ang pinaka-goal ko that time. Then, as time goes on, na-develop yung interest ko sa ibang bagay. So, nag-stream na lang ako as a hobby, ganyan.
Okay, next. What are your streaming goals for this year?
More content, more VODs, then more new contents in the sense na ma-maximize ko yung the other half ko, ganyan. And
Okay.
also upgrade my streaming peripherals.
Shadow Fox asks, when Viper cosplay daw?
Don't make it to rain. Don't push me.
So, Boss Kilabot ask, kung magiging babae ka, sino ang gusto mong tularan na female streamer or content creator? Oh.
Syempre si Boss A tayo, Boss Kilabot. Kasi I'd like to do cosplays while streaming, playing game, ganyan. Yeah,
So,
bring it.
bibigyan na
What's
kita
that?
ng time.
Kinakabahan ako kaya tao.
Is your time to shine. Any hidden talent?
Pwedeng mag-magic.
Sige, go!
Lahat kayo na nanonood, tsaka ikaw Kuya Pao. Hindi ko alam kung magic to Pili kayo ng number na magkasunod.
Okay.
Kunyari, number 1 and 2, 75, 76, ganyan. Sa isip nyo lang, okay? Yung malaking number, add it to 12, okay? Yung sagot doon, minus the small number that you chose, okay? Are you finished solving, guys? Yung mga number, 1 million to 2 million. The answer is 13.
Oh! Oh, jeez!
Sheesh! Naniniwala kayo, hindi
Tama
pa?
ba?
Pwede ba ulitin?
Tama yung sa inyo, guys.
Naniniwala kayo?
Kasi yun yung nagmo ko eh.
Yeah! Another one. Okay, pagbigyan. Another one. Para hindi masabi na just a fluke. Choose another number. Magkasunod kunyari. 7, 8, 12, 13. Yung malaking number, i-plus nyo sa 21. Okay? Yung sagot nun, i-minus nyo dun sa maliit na number na pinili nyo. Okay na, guys? Ang
Tingnan
sagot
natin.
dun, guys, is 22.
Oh! Sa akin, 22 at 13 ka. Putik na!
Damn, that's my hidden talent, guys.
Wow! Ang lupit ng talent. Oh my god! So, that was the hidden talent of Jumong. Wow! So, our next segment is called 10 Picks and 1 Word. Let's go! First one.
Ano to kayo po? 1 word for...
1 word for each character.
Fearsome. Fearsome?
Fearsome din.
Pwede ba yun?
Sige lang.
Pwede mo ulit?
Sige lang.
Crazy. Iba-iba yung sinasabi ko. Okay lang, kayo ba?
Okay lang.
Adventure. RPG. Ang dami ng words nun, ha? 3 words yun, ha?
Hindi. 1 word lang yun eh.
1 word. Adventure. 3D. Pwede ba yun? So, like, adventure.
Kung anong maisip mo?
3D. Adventure.
Okay, so that was it for our 10 picks, 1 word.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I also made the Buy Me a Coffee page. Buy Me a Coffee is the best way for creators and artists to accept support and memberships from their fans. Because of Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to make my memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2, up to $10, and has 5 different tiers, which are F-Class, D-Class, C-Class, B-Class, and A-Class. If you haven't joined my Buy Me a Coffee page, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount code when you purchase a merch on my Fourth Wall page. And you can use that upon checkout and enjoy the immersive perks I made just for you guys. Just go to buymeacoffee.com/paoppa. That's buymeacoffee.com/PAOPPA.
Let's move on to our next segment, which is called Fast Talk. So, are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Yes, joke lang, yes.
Fast Talk. Timer starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Keyboard.
Dream game night guest, sinong gusto mo makasama pag naglalaro?
Jampong.
First video game you owned?
Powerpuff Girls.
Who's your favorite streamer?
Tyler 1.
What's your most played game?
League of Legends.
What's a game you truly suck at?
Oh, no. Solitaire.
So, what's your go-to snack when playing?
What?
What's your go-to snack when playing?
Go to snack when playing. Biscuit.
Biscuit. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
I will achieve car.
Okay. So that was it for our Fast
Oh my
Talk.
God. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much sa pag-invite sa akin. I-promote ko lang yung page ko. Facebook page muna. Yes, fb.gg/Jomongasor. May Twitch din ako. Jomongasor naman ang name ko, if di nyo alam. Very rare lang kasi ako mag-stream. So, nag-stream ako sa Twitch every weekends lang. Then, I have YouTube channel, Jumong. Kasi pag sinus nyo yung Jumong, makikita nyo yung mga yung Jumong na K-drama. So, ang isa siya Jumong prank. Yun, kasi mayroon ako ng content ako na nagpa-prank ako sa Omegle and Omi TV. And lastly, meron akong TikTok. Doon yung mga content ko na splices, tapos TikTok na, you know, in short, TikTok nung other person ako.
So yeah, go give follow to Jumong guys. That was it for our podcast for today. Thank you so much, Jum.
Thank you so much, Kuya Pao, sa pag-invite sa akin. It's a good, big and great pleasure to be invited sa podcast mo.
Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on our stream. Let's
Bye,
go. Bye bye guys.